Hey guys, it's Hurricane900 here and Jesse Harper, and today we're gonna do 20-minute challenges on my microwave. After this, we gotta clean it up and yeah, see how this goes.
Hey guys, subscribe to Jesse Harper. You heard me. Subscribe, I said. Okay, so we're gonna be doing.
Sorry. Wait. Oh crap. Oh.
What?
Oh. My phone, my YouTube thingy doesn't have to turn the camera around.
What?
I don't know.
All right, so we're gonna be doing.
20 minutes. 20 minutes and 2 seconds.
Never mind. Wait.
I'm just joking.
All right, so
We have a problem.
Here,
Wait
video
just a
this.
second. I'm gonna try getting a good position of it.
here. Yeah, guys, it's really messed up.
Yeah, it is really messed up. Let me see if you guys can see the microwave. Some of the microwaves right here.
Right
This
here.
is my microwave.
So
Yeah.
we're just gonna start.
Throw it orange. Here we go.
Wait.
Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Crap, it's not on there.
It is on there. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not.
Okay, guys, so it's on there. We're gonna eat some chips. Oh,
I got my own.
all right, let's go. Let's see what happens to the orange after a while.
Here's cheese. Okay, so after a little while, we're gonna check on that orange.
Yeah, we'll start that. Guys,
we're gonna check on it right now. Oh, it smells funny. Oh, open.
guys, it's ready to blow. If you can't hear that.
Oh.
Okay, Javier, open it.
Him. Oh. Oh. It's like
Ah.
the juice of it.
Oh,
That's probably
oh,
hot.
feel it. It's really squishy.
Oh, God, that's not
Okay, guys, if you want to see it, it'll squish it.
Oh.
Ow!
That's what?
Guys, we got a problem.
Let's get it out of there, bro.
The orange needs to go.
Yeah, let's put it in the garbage.
Ow!
That was not something we need. How about we not?
Rest in peace.
How about here? We're gonna put stuff like this that won't really do some damage on it, so it's just like a little,
Yeah, like that.
like that stuff. So how about we put it in?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna put this in there.
No, not that. Don't forget
Just
that.
kidding, guys. You never will know.
Uh,
Wow, that'll just start a fire.
definitely.
What? Why are these so small?
I don't know, they're broken down too. Let's put some this.
Javier.
What is this, bro?
That's oil.
Wanna put that in?
No.
Okay, put that.
Javier,
No Tabasco.
what is this thing?
Oh, that's for making juices and cooking stuff. Pretty awesome.
Let's do it.
No, bro. If you don't know how to do it, we can do it. I can't.
I know how.
No, you know. You stop.
Yeah, I do.
Believe it, dude. Okay.
Here, take this.
Put it over there.
Guys, look at the ceiling.
Yeah, microwave's right here. Okay, what should we put in next? Do you have a pen?
What?
You should put it in a pen.
No, that would just might be bad.
Chocolate.
No, that'll be a mess. Javier, do you have Instagram?
I did.
You did. Why are not help?
Well, guys, what should we do next? What should we do next, Jesse? Wanna put it in a
Why do you have
banana?
so many like iPhones?
Whoa, let's put it in a banana, bro. Jesse, banana.
Yes.
Let's go. And then an apple.
Yes.
And then a golf ball.
Guys, we're putting in a banana. As you see, Javier has so many iPhones. Look, there's one. There's one.
There's an iPhone. I don't know where it is.
Where's the iPod?
I think I gave it to this homeless man.
Think of what?
I just dropped it and then some homeless guy picked it up. I don't know.
You lost your iPod.
I was playing with that.
Well, this used to be an iPod. Anyways.
I don't know where it is. It's somewhere. I think it's Spain. I don't even know. Well, if I can find it, I'll show you guys.
Next time, when he finds it, he'll tell you.
Oh, what was that in?
No, it won't do that.
What's that? Oh, it's like. Can I put my Fitbit in?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Stop.
I'm not. Guys,
I don't know you mentioned.
Javier Montancinos found a Fitbit. I found one too.
Yeah.
Do you know the black one I have?
You don't have a black.
Yeah, I have a black Fitbit.
I never saw it before.
You never seen it?
No, you bring it to school on Monday.
Alright, I found it.
Sweet.
Alright, guys. Intel. Guys, a lot of people are losing. A lot of people are losing Fitbits these days.
Let's go in a little bit. I'll go in time to run and you'll find about like 3 of them.
Yeah, there's a lot of them there. Alright, guys, if you not notice, these goldfish are weirdly oversized. What the fuck?
Oh.
Alright,
Oh shit! What the fuck is the color of that? Sorry guys. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Open that garbage.
Oh god! Oh!
There's something wrong with that, guys. Okay, guys, there you go. 2 things in the microwave for like 5 minutes. The orange was a
Sorry guys for this rumor.
subscribe. But why can't you swear?
I don't know. I just don't drill a lot, but you know.